Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the Brazilian Club Tour event in eFootball 2024. So this is a Brasileirao matches. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how we can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the dream team, tap it and tap the events and search the Brazilian Club Tour event Brasileirao Açaí tab. So there are two league here, the first league and the second league, Serie B. Serie B, sorry. Tap this information for the detail. By playing versus AA matches and collecting event points, you can earn chance deal GP and even star play ticket as rewards. So this time type dream team through event. So you have to play as a Brazilian club. So this is the reward you can learn, and let's tap to enter here. So you have to play against the club from Brasileirao or Brazilian League. So you can also tap the match setting here. To the match, tap it, and we are going to play this a user and Londrina Edmond Menihil. So this is from Brazil, maybe. Please win this match and you can get reward from it. You have to play patiently here and try to score goal first. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.